Thank you very much for checking out Digital Download Underground. Debbie and I are so excited to have you be a part of this. I do have an upsell for you. Be excited that you're going to be able to create these digital items that people download to the tune of thousands of times. This is something that you don't need artistic ability to have. You don't need to have any experience. You can be from anywhere in the world, and you create something with a very, very small price point that people buy over and over and over again. On top of giving people something that they want, they're happy that you do this. You're giving them an emotion. And that's what it's all about. People are happy and excited to buy something from you. So you're doing a great thing. In this upsell that I have for you, I have a list here that I wanted to write off. This is all about getting it in maximum speed with little effort. The maximum effort in a short amount of time. How to be a creation beast. How to not skimp on your quality. Our advanced methods that no one else is sharing. Our best tools to use to create these. What to never start with when creating this. The 9 ways revealed on how to make these digital downloads extra fast, how to avoid overwhelm, how creating can be very therapeutic to you, all of our pro tips, and how to 10x your digital download business. So if you really want to take this to a crazy high level with more ways to profit, check out this special upgrade. Pick it up below, and we'll see you on the inside.